All right, 2 more boxes of Super Break Baseball 2015. These 2 are for Eric, as they're cleaning me out of this product. Stuff is going fast and furious. All right, Joey Gallo. Got it. And numbered 7 of 25. Dang, man, I'm telling you what. This is ridiculous. Mike Trout, Archives, framed autograph. You are the Mike Trout king of this product. 7 of 25. That is 2013 Archives. All right, and our last box. It's a 2-hitter. Nice autograph front on top. Yogi Berra, Yankees Signature Series. Nice on-card autograph right there. And 2014 Bowman Chrome Prospect autograph, Edwin Diaz. BGS 95, autograph grade of a 10. All right, brother. Appreciate it. Let's take another look at that Trout. Awesome hit. 7 to 25. Add it to the collection. Later, buddy.